Hey there, I'm Priyam, the co-founder and CEO of Asanify. Today, I will show you how easily you can upload multiple employee information in very few seconds and get started with Asanify. Just click on this I want to button and either click import bulk data, or you can also click this add employee or contractor and select add multiple employees, and you'll reach this import data place where just select the employee core in the drop down. Once you do that, it'll show you and give you some key tidbits on what kind of information you need to upload. You can just download this template file. The Excel or CSV format is already there, pre-made for you. And you can just also click on this question mark icon. It'll take you to a helpful article where in our support website, where you can just go through what are the instructions to upload the information, and all the fields you need to add are given there. Some specific things to keep in mind is date of birth should be in this particular format, date of joining will be in this format, etc. In fact, just make a note of this, that the work address should not be the entire address, it should be just the name, and the exact work address you can add here. Go to company settings and add your work locations here, and whatever is this bold name you see, just give that name in the Excel or CSV that you are uploading. And once you do that, then just come back and upload the file here, and you're done. So go ahead, add your first employee in Asanify and help simplify their and your work life.